So since we are done with the intruder and cluster bomb attack, now we are going to use a very simple tool, that is Hydra. That is very easy and very easy to use, but the syntax is little hard, so you would think that it's pretty hard, but it is a very easy tool. So let's get a hand on to this bWAPP, and once we click on the bWAPP, you can see we have got a login screen, and that is what we need for a brute force attack. And as you can see, we can enter our credentials here, that is B and bug, but not in all the cases we will get the username and password, as we are hacking a particular website. So what we are going to do is we are going to use a tool named as Hydra for a brute force attack. So let's go to our terminal first, and what we are going to type here is Hydra. And once we type Hydra, you can see it gave us a long manual for it, and in beginning you can think that it's a very small manual and it is a small tool, but in reality it is a little complicated tool because of its syntax. And now let me show you what I'm talking about. So if we type clear here and we will type Hydra, now what we are going to type here is we have to type IP address of our target, that is 192.168.29.124, and now we have to specify what kind of attack we are going to perform, if it is a get attack or it's a post request attack. So now we have to look into the source code of this page. So if we click here, okay, so it says view page source, and if we click here, you can see we have got the source here. So if we scroll a little bit down, we have to find what kind of request it is making. So as you can see, it is making a post request. So what we have to type here is just go to the terminal and type http:/form/post. Now what we have to specify is the path, that is path of the website, that is this path. So just copy it here and go to terminal, and inside inverted commas paste this right away. And next thing to specify is our login field and our password field. So for the login field, let's go to the source page again and let's see and what we are using as input in the login field. So in the login we are using login, and in the password we are using password. So let's go to terminal back again, and here type equals to, type upper arrow, and here type user. So after we specify this login equals to user, that means what we are going to do here is when we will use a password list, all the password that contains username, it will replace it with user. Now what we have to do is we have to separate this here, and we have to type password here, then specify here with upper pass, and now here again separate this, and we have to find the button that the Hydra tool will use to submit our username password by itself. So if we give a thorough look, we can see the button is here and its name is form. So what we are going to do here, its name is form and the value is submit. So what we are going to do is here is go to the terminal and type form equals to, without upper arrow we have to type submit here, and with semicolon we have to type the message here that we will get after a wrong password. So let's go back to the website and just type anything here and click on the login button and copy this, and once you copy this string, go to the terminal and paste this string right here. Now what you have to do here is you have to specify a word list for your password and username. So let's open another terminal here and type nano user.txt, hit enter and type admin123 admin09 b as it was the username, and let's now create a password file. So just type nano pass.txt, hit enter, type admin, type test, type jjk, type bug. Now if we go to our terminal back again, let's go to our terminal and here type -l, and in the L section we have to specify our username file, and then type -p where we have to specify the pass file, that is this. Now what we have done here is we have first typed the name of our tool, then the IP address of target, then what type of brute force attack we are going to perform, the path of the target page, login field, password field, form submit button and the string, and then our pass file, user and pass file. So once you will hit enter, it will take less than a second and it will tell us the login credential of our target, that is B and the bug. And that's how you use Hydra tool.